Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want a clean and professional FAQ section, Accordion are the perfect or the best solution. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create, basically, an FAQ Accordion in Webflow in 2026. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. Well, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for webflow.com. You're gonna tap the website all the way to login using our email address and password. So now, you should go and insert the question by adding a text block for the question. For example, we're gonna go back to this. Okay, so we have all of these options, as you see: create component, convert to, container, wrap in div block, and all of this. So for example, we're gonna go all the way to basically, for example, we're gonna go and create this one. We have multiple options here: intro text, secondary, container, and this container as well. Okay, for example, we're just gonna open this one. We have the main hidden. We have this div block also, the bigger one. So basically, you can create whatever you want. Just go ahead and do so. As for me, I already have this page. So after adding the answer content, place another text block below for the answer, set answer to hidden. Then use display none or hide 0 for the answer. So when you just basically place your answer, you're gonna go back to here, tap on style, go to display, then tap on none, and it will be hidden automatically as you see. Then animate open and close. Set the answer to expand and collapse smoothly. Then duplicate for more questions. Copy the structure for additional FAQ items. As for some tips, keep answers short and easy to read. Add some icons to show open and close states, then use some interactions instead of custom code. And that's it, so thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.